How to recover deleted Google account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can recover deleted Google account. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. So for that, first of all, you have to open your browser in your device. So here, let's open Google Chrome. Once you're here, now tap on the search or type URL, and there you have to type a link that is https://g.co/recover. So once you have typed in the link, tap on search icon. Then you will directly land on this page. Here you have to provide your email address or your Gmail account that you have deleted recently that you want to recover. So provide your account right here. Once done, tap on next. Then it will again ask you to enter your password. Type in your correct password, then tap on next. Once you have done that, you will have a message saying that success, you have deleted your account and you have recovered your account. You will only be able to recover your account if it's deleted recently, but it will not recover the data which you have deleted. So that's how you can recover deleted Google account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.